got some motivation, and we are going to install 3 mods to Ryan's 17 plus BRZ, also referred to as BRZ. Yeah, so let's just jump right into it.
Alright, so these are 3 things that I think every Kouki BRZ needs. So we've got that new fancy wing on there, because it's not really new anymore, it's 2021, but still. Got some good old wing risers here from Perrin. Personally, I didn't go with the Dronaby ones because I didn't actually know what color car I was going to get at the time. And I'm kind of glad that I didn't because they don't have any paint matched ones for the Series Gray. So, lucked out there a little bit. Got ourselves some Convex Mirrors because that blind spot is rough.
So these are the OLM ones with the turn signal inside.
Yep.
And they are the blue tint ones.
Blue tinted. And then everybody loves sequential taillights.
Everybody loves changing out their taillights on BRZs.
Yes.
First off.
Yes, that's a big thing that everybody likes to do with BRZs and FRSs. But unfortunately, Subaru decided to give it those cool taillights, but not make them sequential.
Imagine, what are you doing, BRZ?
So
sequentials.
I went ahead and picked myself up.
Dude, aren't those the same ones you have on the car now?
Well, essentially. But you know, the turn signal is gonna go boop, boop, boop.
Yes, sir. Okay. So first off, we're gonna start with the taillights. So get that fancy trim tool out, Ryan.
Ooh, trim tool.
Okay, so we're gonna play a game called How Many Tries Does It Take Till We Break All Ryan's Clips? We got 1, 2, 3 here on this thing. And then on this one you have 1, 2, 3, and then there are 2 back here. And it's identical on this side. So let's get to popping.
Joey out here doing the body work like his dad intended for him to do. Not really. He just passes down the knowledge, I guess.
Dang, you put the camera on me, now I can't get this clip.
Oh my goodness. You already got one of them.
I'm gonna try this one first.
Yeah, if you can't get one of them, you just move on to the next one. Pro tip. Yeah. I think we need to take the,
yeah, might as well.
The liner out. Whatever it's called.
We're gonna take this out just because I think it'll be easier if we do so. Yeah, if oh, well, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. You just pull right up on it, and
breaking my car.
Oh yeah, dude, we broke all these clips. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's gold, man. It's mint. Okay, and then like I said, we got the 5 clips on these sides, and I believe each one also has a connector, so. This is absolutely a great angle.
I know everybody likes looking at the top of my head.
We get like a random sun flare over here. Sunny, it's a sunny boy. Either way, I'm just gonna cut to when he takes it out. So Ryan's exploring all his little goodies he's got. He's got some bits in there.
Free drill bit.
Drill bit? Is that drill bit or is that? I think this goes on like a.
For something.
Like a, what do you call that?
Nah, dude, that's not supposed to be in there.
Probably not, but that's good. He popped all these things out, all the little pins. I don't know why I call them pins, they're clips, but
clips, pins.
You'll have
little connector.
Here, do you want to undo the connector? Sorry.
Got a little connector back here for the trunk popper.
Pop it like it's hot.
And we're gonna just connect that just like that. Pull this on.
And then you just want to take this and throw it in the garbage.
Weight savings.
Oh wait, no, that's probably for that. Yeah. So there's not going to be. I thought it was going to be for the taillights.
No, I told you it's for the trunk popper.
Good old trunk popper.
On the inside of the car.
That one should just come right out then.
Yeah. Joey didn't come right out.
Dang, I lied. And then we got a couple bolts here. They should be 8 mils. So we'll let Ryan grab an 8 mil and get cooking. You know what? You guys are gonna want to make sure you lose these bolts too. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I keep clowning on your car all the time.
I already lost it, dude. Oh, scratch my paint, scratch my paint, scratch my paint. Okay.
I don't even know if I caught that, but Ryan just manhandled the wiring harness off.
I definitely didn't need an extension this long, but
That's
here we
okay.
are.
Or 3.
Yes, there is.
Oh, okay, I lied, guys. There's 4 bolts. But they're all 8 mils, so.
This is like when I was trying to film when we were doing the 4th brake light.
Yeah, I know, that was a tough one. Spoiler alert? So, there it is. It should be as simple as taking the old tail light, putting in the new one. You can go ahead and clean this up if you're feeling spiffy.
I'm not feeling
but
spiffy.
We're gonna swap it out, and it should just be the same on the other side, but I'll cut to us putting this one in.
Now, the taillights only go in one way.
Dude, I think you put it in upside down.
You might be right.
Dang. They look like your old ones, dude.
That's weird.
Yeah, we're using the same hardware, 8 mils, and then we're gonna pop the wiring harness back into place. And then I think we're gonna give you a side-by-side comparison. Who says you can't tailgate with a sports car, huh? Who said it, Ryan?
Grandpa.
Yeah, why you always gotta put Grandpa on the spot? Quick, Dakota, do you know how to repin a connector?
No, wrong guy to ask.
Dang.
You don't think you can repin this connector for me?
No, sir.
That's
Bummer.
unfortunate.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave now.
That's kind of why we called you over here.
Okay, so the issue we're running into is we need to repin these taillights. So we're gonna skip that for now, and we're gonna move on to the wing risers. And
Apparently I'm missing a bolt.
I don't know. Ryan's got some rusty bolts, missing bolts. He just popped these off real quick. I don't know.
Things.
And we're going from there. Yeah, honestly, it's probably why it's so rusty. Probably from all the snow sitting on top of it. Man buys an electric ratchet to use it as a normal ratchet.
Hey man, they got a little stuck there. These are gross as fuck. Ow, they're hot too!
So luckily for Ryan, we got the easy install. And then I believe the bolts that Ryan got are actually longer bolts. So we'll replace those rusty pieces of crap. And he got the nice logo there to know he reps. So we also just took this little piece off the center because it wouldn't sit flush on the car now because it is taller. So hopefully that looks cool. And then like I said, we should have new bolts, 4 of them. Get rid of those rusty pieces of crap. Ryan's about to send it. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Look at that. Dang, man, you're a hot boy. You might as well just put a chassis mount wing on there. You got the no little divot in the middle too. Not bad.
I have to get rid of that little protective there, but
It's okay. Only we know. So here it is. It looks good. I would definitely recommend these. I'm not sure what the other brand looks like, but these ones were super easy to install. They came with the longer bolts. What do you guys say?
pretty nice. I'm glad that I went with these because obviously, like I was saying, I couldn't find the, I wouldn't have been able to find paint match ones to this color. So would have had to get them painted or something. So
Yes, sir.
I think the pairing ones look nice because they match the actual color of the spoiler itself. So
It looks good. I'll give you one more shot. And then we're actually gonna pick up this video and a little bit for you guys, it's gonna cut now. So it is much later. We're gonna show you how to take these mirrors off real quick.
So it's a really complicated process. So you walk on over here, make some nasty noises with your mirrors, and just
Come on, Ryan, don't let them down. You did it so easy on the other side.
just rip them on out, you know? No big deal.
Then take these garbo pins out.
So since I'm fancy, I've got heated mirrors here. So we gotta pop these little connectors off of here. Just kinda...
A light show for the crowd. I think it just died.
It just died.
Oh, let me grab my phone.
Fantastic. So if you can see with Joey's light, we just gotta pop these little connectors up here. If they want to move. When it comes to wiring, I am not your guy. Do not call me. Boom. Just like that.
Just like that. It only took like 45 seconds. So for a comparison, here's me in the normal mirror. And then here's me in the wide mirror. As you can see,
Quite a difference.
quite a difference.
It's also got a blue tint to it.
Yeah, so the blue tint helps with headlights at night.
So we're just gonna slip these connectors back onto the new one. That's that. We're gonna ignore these for right now because I don't really know how to do the wiring for the turn signals. So we're just not gonna worry about it.
Out of sight, out of mind, right?
Exactly. Glad you're on the same page.
We can open that. We can say that for another day. Pop it right in there.
Should be good to go.
Then you can see your blind spots now. Look at that.
Yeah, good stuff.
Okay, so we're back at it. Take everything back out, and we're gonna take these taillights out. And Dakota could not help us repin the connector. I don't know why. I was counting on Dakota.
Absolutely ridiculous.
So stock taillight, and like I said, Dakota couldn't help us. So Ryan actually bought repin tool for connectors, and we actually took this bad boy to a professional, aka Ryan's dad, and he actually couldn't figure out either. So Ryan and his dad just snipped the wires and rewired them to where they need to go. Not the best fix, but I mean it works, right?
It should be okay. I mean, it's just
yeah.
So it's not like it's gonna be exposed to anything really, so it should be alright.
So let's pop these bad boys in, and hopefully it works this time. Okay, so as you can tell, stock taillight just blinks. New taillight, sequential, and they look the same.
It's like that brake light.
The brake light, yes sir. It's looking mighty fine. It looks like it's on, because it looks the same on both sides. I know you can't tell on camera, but good stuff, man. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's going that way.
All right, now let's put this one in for it not to work. Just kidding. Jeez, Ryan. Is he turning left, left, or right?
No, it's a BRZ.
Oh, okay, my bad. It looks good though. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Do this to your car. Do it.
3 things every Kouki BRZ needs. Wing risers, sequential taillights, convex mirrors.
Look how good they look in the day too. You see so much. Ryan, can you grab your old mirrors to compare? I'm gonna show it off. Okay, so imagine I'm Ryan just freaking banging gears. Oh, he took off the he put the Tomei sticker on. That looks nice, Ryan. Looks freaking nice. Okay, so here's the comparison. You see that house? All you see is the garage, and then you see everything. It's got a blue tint to it, and like I said, Ryan didn't hook up the turn signals, but that's okay because it looks good. You can see literally everything. Looking good. Dang, you're never back into anything ever again.
Who's saying I did in the first?
Oh, my bad. I don't know why I just put you on the spot like that. Ryan got the frickin' Instagram. Can't even see it because it's so freaking bright out.
It's bright.
But I guess that concludes the video. Is there anything you would like to say about these 3 fantastic mods to do to your Kouki BRZ?
Why didn't Subaru do this from the factory?
Why didn't they do it from the factory? Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Get the light on, yeah.